Hey guys, welcome back. ये है मिस बोला.
और ये है क्राइम मास्टर जोजो. थोड़ा टाइम हो गया, मुझे लगा अंदाज अपना अपना रेफरेंस बनता है
That's
ना?
true.
हाँ.
But
Yes. So what are we doing today though? I hope it's a fun one and I hope it's like Crime Master Jojo के level वाला है आज का reaction के नहीं.
actually तेजा के लेवल का है क्योंकि हमारे अगले प्लान के मुताबिक हम देखने वाले हैं
क्या?
a brand new track, सीधे मौत.
I
Oh
just
my
keep
god.
squealing because I love सीधे मौत. Last time हमने जब
What is
उनका
this
गाना
noise that I have just been subjected to? This
silent scream, but not really silent.
Yeah, my eardrums little thoda piercing happened, but okay, good. It's
Yes,
called
yes.
it just dropped 25th Feb and the comment section went berserk as expected. So it's called Namastute.
Namastute. Let's do this. I'm very excited.
Let's just do it. Encore, ABJ and Calm. Let me just quickly see. Music is mixed and mastered. Sajil Kapoor. Oh, okay. Produced by Calm, performed and written by Seedhe Mott. Okay, fine. Chalo, let's do it.
Yes, ready.
1, 2, 3, 3.
कलम जले दर्द दुखे मरम बने आश्वासन नंदश्वासी भरम टूटे सभी चुके और श्रद्धा से बोले सीधे मौत नमस्तुते गरम जले नास्तिक दे तेरा भाई दर्शन पना तू आस्तिक हूँ मैंने देवता कदाचित खुलू जब मुंह सब बोले यार राक्षस हूँ मैंने प्लास्टिक सुनू बस पाक्सिक रैपर को तू पेप टॉक तो फिर भी टॉक्सिक फिर भी नॉक्शियस दी टिकटॉक वो विकी टिकटॉक बस खुद बिगाड़ दूं मेरा क्या मैं क्लब में बैठा करा रहा मॉशपिट लौंडे मेरे चाल बास तेरा भाई काल प्रॉफिट दिखा नहीं प्रॉफिट गिरा बना धूम के तो छुड़ी पृथ्वी पथरा मून पे होती चले चले मेरा शनि अलग तुम तुझे हफ्ता शनिदान छोटे बात मेरी मान शक्ल से तू शनिचर रखता जो मनी मन मरता वो मनी मन मेरी जान आके तेरी नमी नमी दिल का तो धनी का मेरे रखे नहीं जाते खुशियों पे दाम मुंह पे सारी लबी डबी सी बातें कभी नहीं कोई नहीं बोलू के मैं जिसकी है मती मरी मरी मैंने जगी नहीं किया काम किसी सारा पैसा मैंने पकड़ के गरीबान दे के बेको इज्जत हुए बेइज्जत कर से खुद के पेट वो भी बिना पेट का सर पे एमजी के साथ किया ले सब यहां पे लौंडे बस फ्लाई हम जाना है जिसको जाए जानी डोंट उलटे पांव भगते सारे जैसे चले हाथ फूकता कलम कश नशी का पेशा है मेरा ये है मेरी पेशकश ए भी जब बोला तो गुस्सा तू कभी तो बोला मैं शांत के वूसा नाम सुन के भक्ति या खूसा निकले सबका जलूस आज ये जिसके बन जाएंगे धूला झंड हो जाए बस जल जाएगा चूल्हा मिशेलिन स्टार शेफ खन्ना नुस्खा दूंगा करी का रुक जा यहाँ लौंडे लगे हुए स्कीम में हमें भी आता तरीका टुच्चा बेचारे खुश है फुड़ के फूक बम यहाँ पे लड़ी का गुच्छा कुछ साफ है करीबी बातें जली भी हमसे जली भी साथ है बोले पर जाते भला नहीं उनसे ज्यादा वफादार गली का कुत्ता वो ना काटे देखे तुम्हें लाता इन पे एक ही फिगी ट्रिगर जीरो काटा जो बोले रात से पैसे कैसे लाएगा मेरे जूते महंगे उनके रेंज से ज्यादा ये चूपे खाते बाप का पेंशन आता है नहीं टेंशन आता इन्हें पेन जमाना खाली थे बस हम दोनों थी लगी जब तभी नहीं बनता अब किसी का हक जमाना तेरा क्लाउड मेरे लंग पे ये पॉल के नाम पे डाले बस भट्टा तेरा भाई जन्म से सीधे मत चीट कोड मार लिया रट्टा ये नूबड़े ये फैक्ट लोग बस चले जब बाज जाऊं कच्चा अब जिसको ललकारना हमें तो आ जाओ कच्चा
ये जो बहुत अच्छे वाले ट्रैक्स होते हैं ये सिर्फ 2 मिनट के क्यों होते हैं?
Listen, how much more power do you want? In 2 minutes, they pick and killed it.
That's also true. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था जब गाना शुरू हुआ मैं किधर देखूं क्या करूं क्या रिया
I still have goosebumps. I cannot. I need like 10 minutes. You know, I didn't breathe.
I love them. I love them.
Yes.
Like little hearts all over the place. Like I absolutely love them. I love the way they perform it. I love the way they sing it. I love the way they shift flows. Yeah. The attitude, the way they shift flows, the way they spit while क्या and you लिखा है वो कितना अच्छा लिखा है और किस तरह बोला है और किस तरह one person going into the other person's bars and the way they are just wow.
They feel like they are one. You know?
Yeah.
Sometimes I don't even feel like there's two of them. They feel like one person is changing voice and changing flows and just coming in and going out and then exiting and entering and you know, dude.
You know, sometimes you have that thing now that the jugalbandi is so perfect that it's like it's coming from here, it punches, it goes to there. There's like this, there's chaos hai, lekin there is so much rhythm in that chaos that it just feels like you don't know what hit you. and that's their beauty.
It's very
सीधे मौत मतलब
synchronized chaos. It's very, very
yeah
synchronized
yeah
chaos. Because that's the word for this kind of track. Because the musically, every time you know the beat drops and the bass hits, and then it does the and then they. I don't even know what I'm saying because I just I'm still in shock. I'm still in shock.
मस्त
This
थी.
I need 10 minutes, like I said, before I can collect
Yeah.
my thoughts on this.
And these were difficult words to just be going back to back and just speaking, like, you know, it was very bhari bharkam words, and like,
You know
wow.
my new word now is noobre. Noobre, he said. I was like, oh, I think this is a variation of noob. I like it.
नूबड़े. And जब वो टॉक्सिक वाली बात कर रहा था, वो फिर भी टॉक्सिक, फिर भी
The
नॉक्सिक. Oh
plastic.
my god,
Oh my God. Listen,
it's
the
just
thing
so
is,
good.
after listening to this once, it'll take you a while to get over the shock. And then after you listen to it maybe 10 more times, then you will grab more of the lines and each bar ka,
इसके बाद मैं लिरिक्स पढ़ने वाली हूँ. लिरिक्स पढ़ने के बाद मैं एक बार और गाना सुनूंगी. उसके बाद थोड़ा फील करूंगी. फिर मैं ना लिरिक्स सुनूंगी ना कुछ भी नहीं. I'll just listen to the song just for the feel of it. उसके बाद मैं एक बार और देखूंगी. Okay, this will continue for a while.
yeah, but we are totally fangirling because they deserve it. And I don't think we have seen this kind of, what do I say? This kind of flow
Wordplay,
changes,
poetry, flow,
wordplay, attitude, effortless switching,
yes.
pace, speed, what else?
मतलब that
You
line
know,
है मैंने से गिरा बना धूम केतु.
lyricism.
So
Mm.
beautiful, so beautiful.
Lyricism where it's very how do you say, like, literary levels are high, but it's got enough of the slang to still keep it street. It's just
It is pure love. That's what this is.
and
That's it.
yeah, and what did we react to? The last one was Classic Moth, right? Volume
Yes.
2. The video
Yeah.
was mad. This one was as mad.
I
Matlab, they
think
are
I have a
just
new favorite.
yeah,
मेरे new
I
favorites बन रहे हैं अभी.
yeah, yeah. I'm
Like,
with you. I'm
you
with you on this 200% because
है ना?
you
We
know how
already
we
know
like
what's
how we
going on.
felt when we heard MC Stan first.
Yes.
We were
yes.
just like, ye kya ho raha hai? The same thing times 2 is happening here
Yeah. And if you mix
for
that
me.
with like, you know, all the Tala Anjum and the poetry levels of, like, you know, the Tala Yunus के जो सारे गाने होते हैं, like, you know, the way I normally feel when I listen to their songs lyricism wise, I am feeling the same thing over here, but in a very different hip hop genre way, like, you know, in a very crazy
Yeah.
madness way. So it's like if I have to now start picking ab dheere dheere, the more, you know, we're listening to many different people, many different artists, अब धीरे धीरे मुझे समझ आ रहा है कि कौन मेरे favorites हैं and why I like them and why their style is something that we respond so actively to.
So strongly too.
Yeah, yeah.
Listen, I'm just like I think I will watch this reaction and I'll only facepalm myself because I don't know what I'm saying in this. I'm still in shock. I'm still in shock. The 2 minutes of this track have hit me like I don't know. I'm still processing because
Please, I know comment में अभी बहुत आने वाला है. अरे आपको तो बार समझ ही नहीं आए. अरे बहुत कुछ समझ आया. प्रोसेस करने में टाइम लगता है because you know इतना कुछ उन्होंने बोल दिया है कि absorb करने में और like just basically. But I know that the way we both are loving them, I know you guys also love them. So please like, share, and subscribe because like
yeah.
what a track. What a song. What a song. And you were right. You were right when you were saying, why are you sleeping on it? We weren't sleeping. We were just waiting कि कब properly react करें. And here we are with this. Oh my God.
Yeah, because new tracks drop before our next recording session and you have to wait till we get to that recording session. Na, abhi next day hum daily to record kar nahi rahe hain, just so you know. But yes, we've gotten to it as soon as we've gotten into a new session. But I have to say that this is like, I don't know, some kind of ninja level they've taken the Desi hip hop scene.
Best.
It's
One of
just
the best I've heard in a long time.
yeah. I'm seeing I'm remembering, sorry, that people said in the comments of Classic Moth that they are apparently dropping three albums soon, and before that a lot of singles. This is one of the singles. but they announced it somewhere online, and I'm just like, इस level के 3 album आ रहे हैं
मेरी
या
schooling
इस
बंद
level
ही
से
नहीं होगी.
ऊपर. I don't know what's gonna hit us in the future. I'm just
Oh
I
man,
think we need to mentally prepare ourselves, and you and I, we will listen to this 5 more times before we'll
I'm ready.
actually be able to have um a
A decent
discernible,
discussion over
a
them.
decent.
Yes.
I think I think right now we are the biggest nooblades, whatever.
Noob रहे, I'm fine. As long as it means that. पता लगा actually कुछ और ही मतलब है उसका.
Yeah, exactly. If we don't know, okay, tell us in the comments, and we will see you in the next one when we are over the shock of this track. Bye.